Today we have a very special treat for you. We're road tripping where? The world's tallest slingshot. Let the adventure begin. Welcome everyone, I am Rick, this is Nikki. We're at Icon Park, home of the world's tallest slingshot. How you feeling, Nikki?
I don't want to die, and I don't want to throw up, and
pass out?
Even worse, I don't want to like pass out on the ride.
She needs to sort out her priorities.
Yeah.
Well, alright, do we want to start with the ride or show people around Icon Park first?
Can we start with the ride? I want to get it over with.
Get it over with?
Yeah, I'll enjoy the rest of my day once it's over with.
Alright, let's go check out the world's tallest slingshot. We have found the slingshot. Looks like there's a good crowd here. I don't know how many are just watching and how many is in line to actually participate in the slingshot, but I guess we'll go over here to the side and get our tickets. Before I get the tickets, I have one question. Are you doing it alone? Are we going together?
I thought you told me you were going with me.
And I just realized, like, we have never gone together on a slingshot, have we?
Right?
Like, I went with Courtney, our daughter, and then you went with Courtney, but we've never gone together.
No.
I look forward to this.
Okay.
For the Orlando Slingshot, 450 feet, 100 miles per hour, 5 Gs. And here's the ticket options. We're gonna go with package number 2, 2 riders, 2 t-shirts, 1 video, $85. But you can go single rider, 1 rider, 1 t-shirt, 1 video, $55. They will just have an employee ride with you. The slingshot, you must be this tall, which is 44 inches. You have to go through a metal detector before getting on the slingshot. They do have free lockers for you to put all your valuables in. And all our valuables are put away, except for my hat and my glasses. They have a bucket up there where I can put my hat and glasses.
Right.
But other than that, let's go hop on.
First time on here?
On this one, yeah. This is, she's really nervous.
That would be so scary, trust me. I'm not scared anymore. Alright guys. I promise you that seatbelt is going to the king. The camera is videotaping, give it up the whole way, and go ahead and sit. Yeah, no, for a countdown, nothing. No.
Oh my goodness! Woo! And the flip. And the flip. And the You okay? That's fun. That is fun. Oh my goodness, that's fun. That's just a relaxing, check out the view. Enjoy the view now. Woo! We did it.
That was horrible.
Thank you for 10,000 subscribers on Rix Road Trips. And thank you to Nikki. She helped make it happen. You can see Epic over there.
My hands are numb.
Super fun. Let's do it again. Again, Dad. Again, Dad. Uncle Rick, take us again. You survived, honey, just as I knew you would. How'd you like that slingshot? You live. She's alive.
I live! I don't like it at all. Honestly, my hands and feet were like really, really numb, and the entire time I'm just like, breathe, breathe, don't pass out, don't pass out. So, yeah.
So we bought the video. They're showing you the video right after you go.
Yeah.
So we saw it already.
Mm-hmm.
You were like, you look nervous the whole time.
I don't like those things.
Even have your eyes open at all for any of it?
Yeah, like once we were were up there and
Okay.
we stopped moving and we did our little flippy deal, then I was like, okay, now it's just a matter of getting me down safely.
I like the flippy do stuff.
You do?
It's so like quiet though going up because it's just like a big rubber band, so it's not like a machine making noise that's like
true.
fooling you or anything. So
It's just air.
It's so quiet, but it's super fun. I saw Epic Universe.
Yeah, you were pointing stuff out
Yeah.
and talking to me the whole time. I don't know what the heck he said. I'll have to go back and watch it, so.
And they were kind enough, they let us put our GoPro underneath it.
Yeah.
So we got a shot, hopefully that turned out, of that going up. So I'm gonna go do free fall.
Have fun.
Orlando free fall, 430 feet, 75 miles per hour, and 4 Gs. For the free fall ride, you must be this tall, 50 inches. The free fall is $12 per rider. They do have a combo pack of a ride and a t-shirt for $22. 430 feet, 4 Gs, 75 miles per hour.
Any last words?
Nothing.
Oh my God.
Tower of Terror on steroids.
Oh goodness. Have fun.
I love the Tower of Terror.
Cute shoes, by the way.
Thank you.
All right, so I'm at a distance because it's really high up there. Woo! And there goes the slingshot now too. Ah. There's Rick, always making friends. Woo, there he goes. All right, so what'd you think?
Orlando free fall, that was awesome. I was a bit surprised. I didn't know when you got up to the top, they tilt you a little bit forward. I didn't know that was gonna happen.
Oh.
So it was cool until we stopped, and then I got a little bit nervous then. But you're like way up there, it's really high.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, the tower looked like it was swaying a little bit when you were up there too. I was like, oh my God.
So there we go, that was super fun though.
Awesome, I'm glad you had
Sharon.
it. No.
And now that we're all done with the slingshot and the free fall, Nikki's more relaxed. I can kind of show you around and tell you about Icon Park. So there's 4 main rides. The wheel, and then what we went on was the slingshot, and then free fall. And the other thing is the Star Flyer. That is the one ride like I don't think I would ever do. Just looking at that one freaks me out. Anything else, I'll jump out of a plane, I'll go shark diving, I will not go on Star Flyer. Some of the other attractions include
Madame Tussauds Wax Museum, an aquarium, the Pearl Express train, and the Museum of Illusions.
So the attractions that they have here, you can purchase a la carte. Because, that's what we did today. But they do have different packages, kind of combine some and whatever. They even, Nikki, and we did not sign up for this today, they have a romance package. Yes, so what that is, Nikki, the wheel. So that's like a 40-minute trip around the wheel.
Oh, is it?
You get
Okay.
your own little cabin, and you get like sparkling wine and stuff like that.
Oh, that's kind of
So,
fun.
yeah, romance package. Unfortunately, you did not sign up for that when you married me. They also have photo packages. They have annual passes to here. And Nikki, you might want to pay attention to this.
What
They
now?
have a teacher's pass for the wheel.
Oh, now that's cool.
You
We should get that, honestly, so that we could record Epic.
spy on Epic Universe Construction.
Yeah, if I can get a teacher discount, that's even better.
I think we should check into that. Also, like, tons of places to eat. I think over 40 restaurants we need to decide where are we gonna eat at.
I kind of want to try Gordon Ramsay.
I love his TV shows. Let's have some of his food. And here it is, Gordon Ramsay's fish and chips. Well, the door is adorable. Let's go inside and check out the menu. We have some combos to choose from, ranging from $15 all the way up to $22. Fish combo, chicken, fish and shrimp, lobster and shrimp, and the sauces. The sauces look pretty good. I think I know what I'm getting. I'm going to go with the fish and shrimp. And Nikki has already told me the lobster and shrimp for her. And now, Rick and Nick's quick food review of Gordon Ramsay's. Kind of just middle of the road.
It was a hit and a miss for me.
Okay, what?
Okay, so the hit was the shrimp. The fried shrimp was really, really good. The miss was kind of the lobster. Little disappointed in it. But I mean, the sauces were good.
Sauces were good.
The shrimp was great, and the fries were good too. So the chips.
Yeah, the fish was kind of middle of the road.
Yeah.
Kind of like the train here. Middle of the road for the fish. But I did enjoy. Where did they go again? Oh, U-turn. I agree with you. Middle of the road for the fish, and the lobster I kind of didn't like at all.
Right.
But the shrimp, outstanding. If I were to come back, I wouldn't get a combo. I would just get like the shrimp only.
Okay.
So there's our 2 cents. And believe it or not, the Sugar Factory has caught Nikki's eye. Goblets, salads, crepes, and brunch here. Let's step inside. Maybe we'll get something. King Kong?
It's our $100 inside crazy thing. Gets all these sauces, all the ice cream.
Looks like we're gonna have dessert in the Sugar Factory. Oh my God, it is so loud in here. But let me tell you what we're getting for dessert. An old-fashioned banana split for 2, which will cost $17. Or Nikki, we could go with that King Kong.
See how big that was?
It's huge. And our banana split has arrived. It's no King Kong. Doesn't come with a song and a dance, but I think we're gonna enjoy it anyway. This is day 2 of our diet and fitness plan.
Not successful.
Okay, all done with the Sugar Factory. I did not realize it was such a party scene.
It is definitely a giant party in there with, it's almost like dance club.
A lot of celebrations going on.
Lots of loud music.
Pro tip, if you want to have a quiet spot at the Sugar Factory, outside.
Yeah.
Inside's a big party.
Woo.
And my birthday's coming up. We should come back here, get some fancy milkshakes, and go on the Slingshot.
The Slingshot and the free fall?
Yeah, and not the Star Flyer though. No. Oh my goodness. But wow. The banana split we had was pretty good.
Yeah, it was fantastic. The sugared, like candied nut things, oh, so good.
Maybe that's why everyone's hyping there because there's so much sugar.
Oh, yep, I would imagine.
I saw a milkshake I like too, so. Anywho, that was our first ever trip to the Sugar Factory. Pretty cool, pretty fun.
Sure enough.
Party scene. Well, the sun is setting. Let's go take a look at the Slingshot and the free fall at nighttime, and maybe Nikki will be convinced by the beauty of it all to do a nighttime ride on either one of those.
Oh my gosh. Aw, I was gonna go, but wow, look at the line now. Darn.
Liar! I call BS on that.
You never know.
All right, well, let's look at it at night at least.
It's pretty.
I mean, I think the crowd's just watching. That's not even a line.
No, there's a line going up the bay.
There is a line. And I think that's going to do it for this road trip to Icon Park. The Orlando Slingshot. Wasn't so bad, was it?
I think the anticipation was worse than actually doing it.
If you worry, you make it double.
So don't worry, be happy.
Exactly.
I know that song, Rick.
Even when we were having the banana split, you were kind of having an itch to go on it again, weren't you? Small
I was.
itch?
A small, yeah. I was like, well, it's sunset. It'd be awesome to do it at sunset.
Yes, at nighttime. Yes.
But I'm not saying I'm doing it again, though, so it's okay.
Well, anyway, thanks to all of you for making this happen. Get Nikki on that slingshot. Now, get the 20,000 by end of the month. I'll go shark diving or skydiving.
Oh, no, you can't put that preface on it. They hit what you said. They hit the mark.
I'm working on my weight for the skydiving. And then I still have to decide.
By eating a banana split tonight.
Oh yeah, I'm sabotaging everybody.
Seriously, and his birthday is tomorrow, so he's gonna have more cake then too.
Well, if it doesn't happen by the spring, in the spring I will go shark diving.
Okay.
Maybe I'll get Murph from Universal to go with me.
Yes, we want Murph to go with you.
I'll ask him. Anyway, as always,
adventures out there.
you can find it on a road trip.